Welcome. This is Lieutenant Colonel Christopher Powe with the Mississippi National Guard COVID-19 Task Force. Today's module, Janssen COVID-19 Vaccine Training and Administration of the Johnson & Johnson Vaccine. As you know, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is now available. This will be implemented during the coming week at all vaccination sites. All service members are required to complete this training prior to administering the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. What to expect? We'll discuss emergency use authorization and instructions, dosage and administration, dosing schedule, administration, and finally, contraindications and adverse reactions. Let's begin. Section 1. Emergency Authorization Use and Instructions. Description and Instructions. The FDA has now issued an emergency use authorization permitting emergency use of the Janssen COVID-19 vaccine. Remember, Janssen is a pharmaceutical company of Johnson & Johnson. The vaccine is manufactured by Johnson & Johnson. Emergency use is solely approved for active immunization to prevent the COVID-19 virus. This vaccine is only approved for individuals 18 years of age and older. Section 2. Storage and Handling. Storage prior to the first puncture of the vaccine vial should be in 36 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit. You must protect the vaccine from light. Do not store the vaccine frozen. Unpunctured vials may be stored from 47 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit up to 12 hours. After the first dose has been withdrawn, maintain the vial temperature 36 to 46 degrees for up to 6 hours. However, at room temperature, store the vial for up to only 2 hours. Following these times, the vials must be discarded. Section 3. Dosing Schedule. Dosing Instructions. The Janssen COVID-19 vaccine is a suspension for intramuscular injection administered as a single dose of 0.5 milliliters. Research and current findings. There is no data suggesting a subsequent vaccine series is required. There is also no data available on the use of Janssen vaccine to complete a vaccination series initiated with another COVID-19 vaccine. There is no information on the co-administration of Janssen vaccine with other vaccines. Section 4. Administration. Verify the final dosing volume of 0.5 millimeters. Confirm there are no particulates or discoloration observed. And finally, avoid administration if any or all are noted in the vaccination. Section 5. Contraindications and adverse reactions. Adverse reactions and clinical trials report. The following symptoms have been reported with the Janssen COVID-19 vaccine: injection site pain, headache, fatigue, myalgia, nausea, fever, injection site erythema, injection site swelling. In clinical studies, adverse reactions, clinical trials report. The following signs and symptoms have been reported following the Janssen COVID-19 vaccine: injection site pain, headache, fatigue, myalgia, nausea, fever, injection site erythema, injection site swelling. In clinical studies, severe allergic reactions, including anaphylaxis, have been reported. However, similar to other COVID-19 vaccines, these reactions are similar. Contraindications to the Janssen COVID-19 vaccine. Do not administer to individuals with known history of severe reaction or anaphylaxis to components of the Janssen COVID-19 vaccine. In summary, we discussed the emergency use authorization and instructions, dosage and administration, dosing schedule, administration, and contraindications and adverse reactions. This concludes the module.